Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abhay, joined by
Anindita.
So today again we are back with Talapati's scene.
Yes, so this time this is Vijay catches investigates their plans from the movie Tupaki. Okay, so already we have done the 12 men shootout scene in Mr. and Mrs. Pandit channel. So go and check that out. That scene is superb, and you have to subscribe our main channel also for this kind of thrilling kind of contents, because we always post some of the contents in our main channel also as well. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and also subscribe on the notification bell.
Okay, so let's get started.
Yes. Oh my God.
Got him.
आजकल सब बदल गया
Wow.
Ooh.
Techniques. Tic tac took.
Full karate technique. Oh. This is how he caught him.
His expression, man. Superb.
My goodness.
बस मेरा तो हो गया आज.
Gone.
I can't even see.
Oh my
Oh my God.
See his face. Oh my. Oof.
I can't see. Sorry.
బస్సులో ఉన్న చిన్న స్కూల్ పిల్లల్ని నేను చేశారని పనిచేశారా నిన్నేమి అడగకుండా వేలెందుకు కట్ చేశానో చెప్పనా? ఇప్పుడు ఒక ప్రశ్న అడగబోతున్నాను. దానికి సమాధానం చెప్పకపోతే ఏం జరుగుతుందో నువ్వు తెలుసుకుంటావా? एक क्वेश्चन, एक ही सेकंड, जवाब दो, नहीं तो
हिंदी.
दूसरी उंगली भी जाएगी. Someone helped you at the hospital. Who was that? Security chief, Shankar. That's it. So simple.
It's not
It
Talapati's
is.
voice.
It is not Talapati's voice. This is not Tamil, I think. Oof, my heart. Beating so
Oh
fast.
my God. Now check it out.
मैं हूँ.
कौन है तुम? स्टेप भैया क्या कर रहा है? अरे क्या है? वस्तुना अरे तेरा से पूछ रहा हूँ क्या कर रहा है इधर?
మీతో కాస్త మాట్లాడాలి. కొంచెం మేడ మీదకి వస్తారా?
ఇంత అర్ధరాత్రి అయిందయ్యా, పొద్దున్నే రా మాట్లాడదాం.
నువ్వు తప్పించిన వాడు ఇప్పుడు మా ఇంట్లోనే గెస్ట్గా ఉన్నాడు. సారీ, నేను ఎవరో చెప్పలేదు కదా. నా పేరు జగదీష్, ఇండియన్ ఆర్మీ. కానీ నేను అది మాత్రమే కాదు, DIA, డిఫెన్స్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఏజెన్సీలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పెషలిస్ట్, మిలిటరీలో సీక్రెట్ ఏజెంట్. ఈ విషయం నాతో వర్క్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి, నా ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, అంతెందుకు నా ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా తెలియదు. మరి ఇదంతా నీతెందుకు చెప్తున్నాను అనుకుంటున్నావా? నువ్వు ప్రాణాలతో ఉండబోయేది లేదుగా. మేము క్యాంపులో ఉండేటప్పుడు ఆ దేశం వాళ్ళు మమ్మల్ని కాల్చడం, మేము తిరిగి వాళ్ళని కాల్చడం అప్పుడప్పుడు జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఒకరోజు మా క్యాంప్లో రవి అనే ఒక అతను, అతనిది మన రాష్ట్రం, సడన్గా అదృశ్యమయ్యాడు. 7 రోజులు ఎంత వెతికినా దొరకలేదు. 8వ రోజు దొరికాడు. పాపం వాళ్ళ క్యాంప్లో చిక్కుకొని ఉంటాడు. వాడిని 7 రోజులు చిత్రహింసలు పెట్టి వాడి కళ్ళు 2 పీకేసి ఈ బియర్ బాటిల్ ఉందే, బియర్ బాటిల్, దాన్ని కింద నుంచి లోపలికి మొత్తం లోపలికి తోసేసి పగల కొట్టేశారు. మేమే వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి ఆ బాడీని అప్పగించొచ్చాం. తల్లి గుండెలు బాదుకుంటోంది, తండ్రి ఏడుస్తున్నాడు, అక్క చెల్లెళ్ళు కన్నీళ్లు కారుస్తున్నారు. 14వ రోజు వాడి తమ్ముడు వచ్చాడు మిలిటరీకి. ఇక్కడ మీరంతా సంతోషంగా బతకాలని కదరా అక్కడ రోజు మేము చస్తున్నాం.
That's emotion.
ఇది లోకల్ మేడ్ గన్, ఇది నా గన్. నేను నిన్ను కాలిస్తే ఎందుకు కాల్చానో వివరణ ఇవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది. నువ్వు చచ్చి శవమైనా నీ కుటుంబం నీ మొహాన్ని ఉమ్మేస్తుంది. నీ పిల్లలు సిగ్నల్ దగ్గర ముష్టెత్తుకుంటారు. నీ పెళ్ళం రాత్రుల్లో రోడ్డు పక్కన నుంచొని చేతులూపి పిలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అదే నిన్ను నువ్వే కాల్చుకుంటే డ్యూటీ పీరియడ్లో సూసైడ్ అని మీ ఇంట్లో ఒకరికి ఉద్యోగం వస్తుంది,
Good option.
PF డబ్బు వస్తుంది, పెన్షన్ ప్రతి నెల వస్తుంది. నిర్ణయం నీకే వదిలిపెడుతున్నా. ఆ గన్ను ఏమాత్రం నా వైపు తిరిగినా
मार देगा
నేను
क्या
నిన్ను
अपने आप को?
కాల్చేస్తాను.
If he suicides himself, then his family will get PF and everything will else he will be accused.
నువ్వు పెద్ద ప్రమాదంలో అడుగు పెట్టావు.
మ్మ్.
Oh my God, this looks real.
He is not using any rope or anything. It is by himself only. My God.
Venus.
మీ ఇద్దరికి పూర్తిగా ఏమీ తెలియదని నాకు తెలుసు. सॉरी, मुझे पता है तुम दोनों को पूरी बात पता नहीं.
सीक्रेट कोड है क्या?
The army intelligence. You will get it.
Juhu, Bandra, Matunga, Dharavi.
God. Full Mumbai.
Yes.
ముంబై సిటీలో 12 చోట్ల అటాక్. కబ్ 27th.
Oh my God. After 3 days. Solved. Full case is solved, I think.
Wow.
Ooh,
Vidhu Jamal. Another masterpiece.
super actor.
Yeah.
My goodness.
This
He's
was.
awesome. My God.
Wow. ओके उसके पास इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंच गया.
Yes.
లేదు మీరు కావాలని
Okay.
Okay, it's done. Wow.
So
that
first of
that
all,
scene was very scary.
Just one thing it disappointed that
It is in not
voice,
in-
voice is not Talapathi's voice. So
Yes.
And also I think it's not in Tamil. It's
Yeah,
in
it's not
Telugu.
in it's
Yes,
not in
so-
Tamil. We searched but we didn't get
Yes.
the Tamil version.
Right,
So
I don't
if you
know why.
have any version like Tamil version, other scenes from this same movie Tupaki, you can definitely let us know. We only saw that Telugu version was only there, no?
Yes.
Throughout the YouTube. I think maybe we have to search a bit. But yeah, coming back to the scene reaction,
Scene, yes.
this is ultimate. I think
I
it
think
was
this
scary when
one of
he
the, one
cut
of the
this.
best role
One of the
Talapati
best
has done,
role,
right?
yes. ऐसे ही कोई मूवी सुपरहिट नहीं बनता, यही रीजन है,
Yes.
इसीलिए सुपरहिट बनता है मैन. मतलब हम हमेशा मिसमराइज्ड हो जाते हैं. एवरी टाइम वी सी तलपति विजय सर's acting, his expression, the way he talks, we
The
are
way he
like,
expresses
oh my
and
god.
his eye
Eye
expression.
expression. He
That
is the
super.
ultimate. I think people should learn, like whoever has been entered to the film industry has seen, like have to see his movie, his action, his expression,
Right.
because he is the complete package.
Yes.
And you can learn a lot of things from him.
Yes, and in this particular movie only,
Yes.
we have seen that though he is still in general also, we see
Yeah.
him as a calm.
Haan.
That calmness is here as
He
well,
is here
right?
also as
Because a lot of the movie, he's a kind of jolly boy.
He he's calm, but at the same time, people who are there in front of him, they will get scared.
Because they will be able to see aggression in
Aggression
his
in
eyes,
his
right?
eyes, yes. Though he is calm
Yes.
and quiet, but still.
Yes.
So this was ultimate, and I think the way he was threatening, the way he was talking with that person who
Yes.
had suicide,
That
guy, that was, outstanding performance. And I am so sorry I couldn't see
Yes.
that scene because of that. I am not that much comfortable. You all know that it is acting. I know that, but still the way, मतलब it is not looking like acting, man. It is real incident, because Talapati Vijay sir का कोई भी आप movie देख लो, it is not looking like he's acting.
Exactly.
It
The
is
VFX also
realistic
they
very
maintain
much.
so much, and
हाँ.
here it was cutting his
Cutting his
finger.
finger. उसके बाद वो वहाँ पे ये कर रहा है, खून निकल रहा है, मतलब
Then
I तो
he's being
cannot.
bandage, and then that guy, that police officer, it's not police or some
police officer, some
assistant security something was
Yes.
there. That guy who suicided. That also,
that scene also.
there was also emotional scene. How just because of this bad guys, India is lagging in a lot of the things, and people are getting murdered, killed, and a lot of things are happening.
Yes.
So
they are not
that
doing
was-
their job properly. That is
Yes.
why. And the way he solved that mystery, that where the
That was
attack will be
masterpiece,
happened,
right?
that was masterpiece.
Yes.
I think ऐसा टाइप का इंसिडेंट इंडियन आर्मी में होता ही है.
Yes,
This
of
is a
course.
very
They-
normal thing, I
Yes,
think, for them.
They generally used to do
it
it.
used
This
to
kind
do
of
it.
thing.
Decode and
You'll-
all.
You'll see that lot of undercover agents
Agents.
are there beside you only, but
Yes.
you won't be able
You
to
won't be
figure
able
it
to
out.
figure it out, yes.
It happens.
Their job
And
is like
here
that.
also he is also
Yes.
acting wise, it's super.
Superb, no question about it. Talapati Vijay sir's acting is marvelous, and we are just fan of Talapati Vijay sir's acting, man. We just want to see him at once in our lifetime. We already told that. If you are a old follower, you know that how much we love, how much we adore him.
Right.
Okay.
And in this particular movie also, it shows that though Indian army or any soldier who is on leave also, on vacation also, but still originally they are not on vacation.
On vacation.
They are on some or the other mission also.
Yes,
right?
yes, they are doing their work. That
This
time
particular
also.
movie we have seen in Hindi,
In
that
Hindi, हाँ.
holiday.
हाँ.
So that was marvelous.
Marvelous,
And
man.
here
Seriously.
Talapati is the original
Only one
content
thing missing
creator.
is his voice. That
Yes.
was missing, but no worries. Acting wise, we saw. Okay, and we are spellbound. So yeah, that is it for today's video. It's a 10 on 10 from our side, and no question about it. Just let us know in the comment bar how you feel about his acting, and if you have any suggestions, like if you have any suggestions on the Tamil language, like original language
have
from
any
this
link also? You can
movie,
send us,
please send us. Yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, and also click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.